Today we're working on a Ford Escape. This happens to be a 2011. What we're doing today is we are removing the radio. First thing we have to do is to remove this panel right here. We'll take our trim tool and get underneath here. We don't have to take it out. We just have to put it right there so we can get at the two 7mm bolts on the top. The next thing we're going to do is come all the way down the bottom and release this bottom panel because there's a couple more bolts underneath there. We'll get our trim tool and we'll get in here and release that panel like so. We're going to release these clips that go to all these auxiliary ports and USB ports so we can get this panel out of the way. Let's get rid of that one. That one. Okay. And then we got the 12-volt outlet here. They hide this one, the latch way back there, right there. Alright, so we got that panel out of there. These are the two screws behind the panel. Now we can take the two top 7mm headed screws, hold the panel in. Now there's nothing holding the panel in, so we can just pull it right out. Well, we can only pull it out so far because there is a ground strap that holds it on. There is a wire on the right side of the radio that we have to release, and there's two clips that hold it on. This back one's a little hard to get to. Alright, we got that one. This one. And then we have the connection right there. Now usually there is a ground strap on the side of the radio that you got to remove. Strange, this radio doesn't have a ground strap. Usually there is a yeah, right there. It's been removed already. You're limited on space. It's kind of tight there. But that has to be removed. On the back of the radio, we have to remove the antenna. Get that out of the way. This connection right here, remove that. And then we have this connection right here. And we got this connection over here. I wish I could have shown you that ground strap that's on there, because most likely you'll run into it. See, the ground strap screws right in there. Anyways, we got the radio out this far, and now we can remove it. Now, to remove the radio, we're going to remove these two Phillips head screws right here. And then there are identical screws on the other side. So we're going to remove those now. Here is the last screw. And there shouldn't be anything holding the radio in now. And there it is. All out. So that's all there is to removing a radio from your Ford Escape.